thanks for joining us today. Today we are smoking wings. So we're going to start with our pail of wings. We like to tuck our wings here at Broaster. So we tuck the pointy part behind the drum. And that's how they look. It just makes it a lot easier and space conscious on our smoker. The Smokaroma is a great piece of machinery. So it cooks in 1/3 to 1/4 the cook time as a traditional smoker. What this means to you is that you end up saving a lot of money and maybe not having to wake up as early as you would a traditional smoker. It also allows you to do last minute catering orders. So traditionally, smoking is a big, long process. So this will allow you to take last minute catering orders that you might not, take usually because the cook time is so much shorter. It also uses about 2 to 4 ounces of wood chips. So this is significant cost savings on wood. You're also more environmental friendly because you'll be burning a lot less wood. The Smokaroma also has a 30% moisture retention. So if you're selling by the pound, that means it's going to cost you a lot less on cost of goods sold because every piece you sell is going to weigh a little heavier because it has more water retention in it. And if you're not selling by the pound, then that means that your pieces are going to look significantly bigger and you're going to have juicier chicken, so that's important. I think the Smokaroma is also not just for barbecue joints. It's actually great for any type of restaurant concept. The smokiness adds a depth of flavor to your end product that you don't get from anything else but smoking. It's great for sandwiches. You can make meats for sandwiches. You can make meats for tacos. You can even make your main entree with the Smokaroma. So it's a great piece of equipment to add to any restaurant. So, all right, guys, we're gonna finish seasoning the rest of the chicken and then start smoking it. It's gonna be about a 45-minute smoke time. Alright folks, so our wings are done. I'm going to take one off, show you. And so you can see they're smoked perfectly. They're still very moist. And yeah, these are great. You can toss this with some sauce. And they're just perfect. And it's very, very smoky, so if you try it, it tastes like you've smoked it for, 4 hours. Very smoky flavor. Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us, folks, and have a great day.